Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn for Microsoft roles using Learn Credentials, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top of the page. On your profile, click on the Add Profile section button. In the drop-down menu, select Recommended, then choose Add Featured. Click on the Links option to add your Learn credentials. In the pop-up window, paste the link to your Microsoft Learn profile or courses you have completed. Add a title that reflects the course or credential you're showcasing. In the description, explain the relevance of the course to the type of Microsoft roles you are targeting. Make sure to include any specific skills or technologies you've learned. After filling in the details, click Add to feature the course on your profile. Next, scroll down to the Licenses and Certifications section. Click on the plus Add button to include your Microsoft credentials. Enter the name of the certification in the provided field. Specify Microsoft as the issuing organization. Fill in the issue date and make sure to check the box for "This credential does not expire" if applicable. Add a brief description highlighting the key skills and achievements associated with the certification. Click Save to add this certification to your profile. Now, return to the main profile page and click on the About section. Edit your summary to incorporate keywords relevant to Microsoft roles. Highlight your experience with Microsoft tools and your commitment to continuous learning through their programs. Once satisfied, click Save to update your summary. Lastly, connect with professionals in your desired field by searching for relevant LinkedIn groups or individuals. Engage with their content to build relationships and increase visibility. Your LinkedIn profile is now optimized to reflect your Learn credentials and readiness for Microsoft roles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.